Yo! Good morning, family. Happy Tuesday. Can you guys feel the excitement in the air for this NASDAQ right now? The moments that we've been getting, the volatility, incredible, the opportunity, undeniable. Difficult? Yes, it's been tough, but it's here. I'm also a little bit sick, as you guys can hear. A little congested, but I'll be all right. Work. Good morning, King. Hope you're having a great day. Hope your gold trades or your Dow trades or whatever you end up finding are blessed and full of opportunity, King. Appreciate you for being here as always. Let's have a great day, brother, and may the opportunity be blessed. 100%, King. I love it. And yeah, like I said, nothing but opportunities today. So we just got to do our thing to find them. Calm, cautious, patient, disciplined, and hopefully rewarded. What's up, King? Brom, good morning. Welcome in, King. Let's get it, let's get it, let's go. Let's get it, let's get it, let's go, Brom. Good morning, King. Danny, good morning, Queen. Love the profile pic. Let's fucking go. Looking stunning. Rise, good morning, King. TLR, let's get it, let's get it. Bread today, 100%. No gluten allergies, only bread. So what are we looking at if we're looking at this thing, huh? Sold off yesterday all day. Overnight went just directly up to reclaim some of it. What do we touch into? The 22,961, 23,000 whole number. Yikes. Feels like yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Let's go look at the daily chart really quickly. Make sure we get a good view with the daily chart. Yeah, I mean, you have to assume we're going to find some relief balance bounce, right? So I wouldn't be surprised to see longs be strong today. I'm hoping at least. I mean, I don't want to see this thing just keep free falling into the oblivion. So I'd like to see it. Thanks. Of course, Queen. Good morning, family. Don Dula, good morning, Kings. Morning, Tyler. Got switched to a Tradeify live, so just smashing out some Lucy evals today whilst I'm locked out from Tradeify. Let's go, Split. Congratulations. Live trading, baby. That's the whole process being rewarded right there, King. Be proud of yourself for that one. GPT, good morning, yeah? I love it, King. Let's go. I love it, I love it, I love it a lot. Can you guys hear it in my throat and my voice? I got some congestion going on, but today's too good of a day not to be trading. I bought 20 more evals because Apex is running their 90% off deal, so I could not miss that. Trying to see if we can grab that big payout. And in the meantime, I'm going to trade the rest of my PAs. Yeah, as you can see, about $100. Some have like 120, about $110, $120 in drawdown. So I'm going to trade super little to try to get a move to play in my way. And if I can find it, then I'll be nice. But we'll see. We'll see if we can do it with very little drawdown. And then if we do, that'd be nice. If we don't, no big deal. We're going to switch over to our our evals. And then from there, we're going to try to pass our Lucid. And hopefully, if everything goes just stellar, we could go into tomorrow with some Lucid fundeds and maybe some more Apex fundeds. I already have 10. Ideally, we don't lose them, but we'll see what happens. Good morning, Mad Max. Welcome in, King. As always, Victor, you too as sir. Appreciate you, Kings, for being here, and Queens, and family. Best community that we have. Incredible. Absolutely undeniable. NASDAQ touching to the 23,000s is fucking crazy. What'd gold do? Woo. 4,600. She's looking bullish. She's looking bullish. Just crazy. What's crude oil doing right now? Oh my God, we're actually above $100 a barrel. Not good, family. This is not good. Morning, best gang, don't deny it. Could never deny it, Dave. Welcome in, King. Good morning, fam. Joel, welcome in as well, sir. Appreciate you for being here with your positivity, King. Let's get it. Good morning, Kings and Queens. Corey, let's go, King. Jedi, greetings. Good morning. Matrix. Good morning, King. Let's get it. Let's get it, family. Opportunity all around us. Can you guys feel it? The NASDAQ hopefully isn't being annoying again today and actually starts delivering cleanly. But regardless, we have the opportunity. Today is jolts as well. So make sure you guys are getting ready for that. Santiago, good morning, King. Let's get it, baby. Yo, hello, everyone. How are you winning? Chris, good morning. We are not trading yet, but we're hoping to be. That's the goal. A big old W. Delay. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. See, I have a delay. It says delay 1 second. I know it's obviously not, but my computer says that. So I am sorry, Dave. I hope that can hopefully correct. Yeah, maybe it is YouTube. I don't know. I said I was going to full port 234 yesterday. Look at how many times it bounced London Sesh. It's a big level. Big level, and you nailed it. Look at that 230. Yeah, huge level, Santiago. Good luck, sir. I appreciate it, Satomi. You as well, my man. Let's have a good day, huh? Hope these JOLTS reports do well, do good things for the market. Hopefully we can do something well with it as well. Matthew, good morning, King. Look at the family stepping in here bright and early and strong. Already 33 of you beautiful folks. Amy, let's go. Family, could we smash 30 likes right away? Our goal's 40 today just because you guys have been delivering it. But how fast can we get to 30? Show some love. I appreciate every single one of y'all. NASDAQ just opened up here. Opening print price, stepping into the new highs. Extending overnight high a bit. Previous day high doesn't seem impossible since we just took this liquidity. If we find consistency above these 450s, if we find base above these 450s, I can see previous day high getting auctioned. But we'll have to be patient and find out. Good morning. Good morning, chat. Pat, good morning. Welcome in, baby. Appreciate you for being here as always. 40 is the goal, family. Work said it. We got a new goal on the table. 40 likes, family. Show some loves. Tag that London high. Yes, we did, Queen. Just swept through it. If we can find stability above these 450s, I could see previous day high being auctioned. But we got to see what happens here after the sweep there. Right now, getting rejected back into the EMA. Not the most beautiful thing. 50. I know we can do it. Santiago says 50. We'll go 40 for now, King. We'll go 40 for now. Love the energy. Love the excitement. 30 light work. Love seeing the progress and growth, Matt and Max. Hey, you're a part of it, King. Community's growing strong. We either win together, we learn together. That's what it's about. Doing it every day. Live together, learning in real time. It's fucking amazing. What up, bro? 08 Adla. What's up, King? I'm gonna call you 08. I love it, though. Welcome in. Welcome to the family, King. Hope you're feeling good. Hope you're excited. Hope you're ready to see this NASDAQ hopefully do some decent things. She's been a little bit, a little indecisive lately. Asia session's typically been stronger for moving, but if we can find a little bit of direction right now, which I would like to see the longs possibly. If you look at the daily chart, it feels like we have to find some extension back towards balance here. Otherwise, we're just in a free fall, and it's no bueno. But we tagged into the 23,000 whole number, starting to find some stability. I would like to see us try to return somewhere towards this EMA, VWAP on the daily chart, on the hourly chart. Maybe previous day high could be nice if we can find some stability above these 450s. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what we're hunting, hoping to see here, family. Let's see what type of opportunities we find. Dude, I absolutely cooked it today. So pissed. Oh, brother, I hear you, but don't want to keep you down too long. Just the name of the game here. It's the process. Sometimes when the opportunity's there, you got to try. If you broke your rules, that's a different story, but at the same time, it's still part of the game. So another thing for you to work on and get better at. That's all it is. We have data at 9:45 and 10. 10 is JOLTS. What's 9:45? I did not know that, Dave. Appreciate the insight there, King. NASDAQ opening print price came up to sweep the Asia high. Then we sold back off into the EMA, and now we're finding some more bids back in towards these 440s. So if we can find some stability here around these 450s, I wouldn't mind seeing longs to overnight highs or previous day high. Still 130 points away, so a lot of opportunities to find a spot in the meantime. Here come the 450s. Do we find structure above? I take that long from the 23,000s. You're a god, Amy. I love it, baby. Good eye. Good eye from the 23,000 whole number bounce up into now, 500 points higher. Hopefully we can go find those 23.5s and take out that previous day high. Nice candle closing above the new swing at those 450s. Can we get continuation now? Truly love to see others win. To be honest, I wish people woke up a bit. What you mean, 08? I love to see people win too, but what do you mean by waking up? I love it. When we see people win, that's how we get better. We get inspired by it. We get motivated by it. Hopefully encouraged by it, not discouraged. If you get discouraged by seeing someone else win, that's not the best. We gotta be on the perspective. For sell idea, if NQ rejects it to 23.5s from sellers, then try it. For buyers, if it breaks to 500 or we go down first at 250 lows, then go up. You want to see maybe a 250 go up if we don't break right to the 5s. If we get to the 5s, I kind of would want to see that previous day high get traded. So we'll see what happens. 945 is Chicago PMI. Dope. Appreciate it, Dave. I be hating, LOL. Leon said, he said, I'm a hater. That's it, baby. Hey, at least you recognize. I'm going to have to trade some MNQ on these Apexes. I only have $100 in drawdown, so I have to make it happen here. I don't see anything that I like yet, but we're going to be patient. I want to see possibly a VWAP touch before we go. Amy says the 250s. I wouldn't mind seeing the 3s. See what happens here. Opening print price. We swept through the highs in this little couple minute range, but now we're coming back towards opening print low. Comparison is the thief of joy. Always has been, always will be, Max. I love it, King. Your life is beautiful just where it is. MNQ, psh. I only got 5 points if I don't, though, King. I know, Santiago. I hate it, too, but I only got 5 points. It's all you know. It's all you, UK. You just got to keep doing. Don't let nothing get you down. Sometimes there's just unavoidable factors that happen, but as a person, you just got to feel the energy. Absolutely, 08. Real talks, King. Sometimes it feels heavier than it is. It's just our perspective in the moment, but when you zoom out and you look at the whole picture, you realize just how blessed you are, just how everything really is okay. It all plays out consistently. And, yeah, it's just another thing to help the perspective. NASDAQ keeps selling off into the EMA. It feels like it's going to get heavy, and then we go ahead and find some bids. So I do like to say that longs are kind of strong right now. We know you're good for it. But the thing is I only have 5 points with an NQ right now. I'd have to top tick that. Yo, what happened to those accounts you leaked on vacay? Still waiting on them. What do you mean? I think I traded those. I think it was my take profit trader ones, and I got that password changed. And yeah, we ended up taking money out of the take profit when I got home. I made like 18 grand on them once I got back from vacay, but then I busted them. So now I'm not trading take profit right now, just today, because I'm focusing on the Apex while they still have the deal going on. Apex, for anybody that doesn't know, has the 90% deal going on right now, family. So sexy. Got to take advantage of it. So I just loaded up on 20 new evals. I have my other 10 performance accounts. Going to go ahead and try to make something happen with them. So in the meantime, if you guys are trying to take advantage of a great prop firm right now, probably one of the best prop firms in the game right now. They don't take any profit split, so it's 100% yours once you get a payout. You're obviously able to trade 20 accounts. You can have end-of-day drawdown now if you want, or intraday. Yeah, baby, Apex all the way. And if you want, baby, code TFF on the time at the checkout. Code TFF. Trading for that freedom. We're trading for freedom is what we're doing here. We might range today. Be patient, guys. Pat, we could. We could. I think I wouldn't really want to see that. I kind of would want to see some extension, at least back towards this previous day high. And then from there, maybe we find a bid. But, yeah, I want to see something. But right now, you're 100% on it. We are not gone much. Opening print price was at the 379s. We caught up to the 459s, so about 80 points. And we're just inside of that zone. I really like seeing young people in the game and winning. That's motivation for sure, Leon. I truly like to see anybody win. Young, old, no matter what. Because that's how we do it. Once I see that, it gives me so much excitement. W's, Apex. Yes, sir. We're running 20 right now, Pat. Right now, I'm trying to find a trade on my 10 at PAs. But in the meantime, I am going to try to go through those 20s. I'm about to get some Apex now. Leon, let's go. Good luck, baby. 90% off. Opportunity to get a payout is fat. When you do, you keep 100% of it. They don't take anything. That alone is special. You can do end-of-day drawdown if you want, or intraday drawdown. It's a little bit cheaper to go intraday, but obviously a little bit more difficult. I've been liking the intraday just because I'm trying to get better at trading intraday drawdown anyway. Since it's the TPT requirement once you're funded, it's a PA thing once you're on funded with Apex. You just got to get better at it as it is. Well, for sure. Trading for freedom, I Tradeify purchases later. Let's go, Jedi. That means the most, family. Supporting the family means the most. Leon, you should too when you buy them. If you do, King. Just blew 5 accounts. Ugly price action. Victor, sorry to hear it, baby. Right now it is. We're not going anywhere. It's completely sideways at the moment. Be patient. Wait for a push. Agree, I'm hoping for volatility 100%. Tradeify 3.0 just got released today. You checked it out yet? I've seen a little bit. Let's actually check it out to get together as a family. Let me just take a quick gander at that. I saw they teased it to their affiliates. They kind of like launched like the first thing. I read a little bit of it, and then I didn't read the rest. Let's see right here. Tradeify 3.0. TradeC, which I thought everybody's going to love. You guys can now trade Tradeify with TradeC, which is hilarious. I kind of leaked that yesterday. I didn't even mean to. Yeah, so you can do that. This is interesting, too. There's up to 90,000 in Elite Live rewards for the 50Ks. They're giving performance rewards for accounts, so it's interesting. To qualify for the monthly rewards, traders must end the month above the live account drawdown, and these are the requirements. Consistency score below 40. So they are adding that. You don't have to maintain that to get payouts, but if you do, then they'll reward you, and then never exceed 75% of max drawdown, and they'll give you requirements to get those rewards. So it's interesting here. Reward pool for the 50K is 6K, so you can make 6 times, 5, so 30K rewards for the 50K. Pretty nice. Real-time dashboard updates means you can instantly fund your account once you're activated. So once you get over the buffer, you can immediately activate back on Tradeify now. Really love seeing that. They have new 25K accounts. And then I like this. I think all prop firms are going to be running into this model here where it's a one-time purchase model. That's kind of nice. That means that there's no more subscriptions. You purchase your account, you pass it, you bust it. That's what you get. Improvements, nice. And then launch offer, you get 40% off, obviously. Code TFF, or you could run their dash. You could do both. Up to 5 accounts per trader. So if you want to get 10 accounts, you could do TFF. And then once you're maxed out on that, you could do the dash to get 10. So you could do 10 accounts at the 40% off right now. And that's it. So overall, Tradeify 3.0, kind of nice. I like the fact that it's a one account thing. I like the fact that it's you can activate instantly once you're over the buffer. No more waiting. And then the live rewards is going to be interesting to see how other one plays out. I also saw something on Lucid that they're going to be popping out some like crates or something like that. I don't know. Be patient on the price action. Wait for the A+ setups. Be aggressive with the evals. I love it. That's the goal, Pat. I'm going to try to be really patient with these PAs. Try to find a nice trade. I only have 5 points in drawdown, so I'm probably going to have to go to some MNQ to try to find a little bit more of a buffer. Got a long from Asia high to the 60s. Let's go, Queen. 30s to the 60s is a nice little pump there. All right, King, I'm done for the day. Scalping the chop just to get the winning day. Ready for a 2K payout tomorrow. A 2K payout. Loading up for the man. Let's fucking go, Matrix. Proud of you, King. Consistency, consistency, consistency. Way to take your base hit and lock it in. Trading for freedom for sure. 100% max. They do all this while I'm locked out. Split. I know, King. They changed so many good things, but hopefully you guys can get in there. Did Apex raise their eval prices? They did, yes, bro. They did. So 90K, I just bought 20 50K intradays. They used to be 1970 or something like that. Now it is 2490. The end of day drawdown is like 340, but when the 90% off, it's like 34. So they kind of increased everything there, but it makes sense. I mean, they always are doing their 90% off deals, so you can make your choices there. And they bought the 25K back, which is great. They brought the 25K back too, yes. They brought the 25K of rewards. You can active instant fund, and I like the fact that it's a one-time purchase. So all in all, Tradeify 3.0 doing big things. I hope the rest of the prop firm space follows. Apex kind of has been doing it a little bit where the accounts that you purchased are just a one-time. There's no more monthly memberships. I like that way more. NASDAQ pushing up into the 460s, finding a little bit of rejection back into these 4s now. Still not seeing anything too stellar. Let's be patient for like a good opportunity. Try to take a good trade. Back into opening print price here. I might try it on these MNQs up here. I think we got to find some balance before selling off, but then we just completely push back up. So kind of wanted to short that, but then we find balance and push rate back up. I'm going to try it. I need to go to 10. I'm trying it. If we get above these highs, I'm going to stop out of this. Feels like they kind of want it. Good amount of volume to return after that sell candle. Feels like the longs are trying to really bring this thing up. I was trying to see if we could get through that opening print low down there. That was a nice closure from the longs after getting a good closure from the bears. So don't love seeing that. Gonna have a quick stop on this one. How much drawdown am I already down? 20 bucks. 20% of my drawdown. We have 100 to go. Feels like we're definitely gonna sweep it. There's the sweep. Now do we get a reaction or do we continue higher? This is where we got to be patient. Continuing higher, I'm just going to just be done and wrong. Come on, Nazi. No way you just go up right now, right? Look at the hourly chart. 100% telling me up. The hourly chart is 100% telling me up. Any closure like this, I'm probably just going to have to lock this one. We already got the retry. The sellers already tried to bring this thing down. Buyers are holding, pushing to the 500 whole number now. We have 70. We only have like so much in drawdown. Look at these 20, 30 bucks, 40 bucks in drawdown. Not looking bueno. Looking for balance, but balance already played out really. We have a tough price to even try to offer for. Back into the 470s. That might be my exit candle. Previous swing high. Before those 500s get broken. That might be it there, family. If we go sweep those fives right now, these accounts are going to be cooked. I was hoping to have one more little depth on that red candle. Happened really quickly there. If we get an EMA try, I'm going to flip over to longs. I don't think we're going to get that lucky, though. No way we get that lucky, though, right? So I'd have to do 20. I'd do 20, and I would put a buy 20 limit. So that would stop me out of my shorts and then put me into a long here at the 460s if we can get a push up there. That would be best case. Save something. If the NASDAQ goes to take out the fives right now, we'd be in trouble. We got to get some safety back at this EMA. The longer we auction, the higher the EMA is going to curl up, though. Give me a chance down here, Nazi. Don't go to the fives yet. A lot of reasons that it should. A lot of reasons that it could. 500 is that whole number. Amy said he might be looking at it for a short. Neat long, that one Lucid Pro pass. Like these for the one-day pass. Like them all for the one-day pass. Let's go, Split. Good trading. Uh-oh, family. One of them's about a bust. We have $10 in drawdown. 500s feel imminent here. 500s feel imminent here. Got to update our price back up to the EMA. Do we have any chance at getting a fill before the push? Come get us, Queen. No, there it is. Nice. The longs came in, and the apex, the PAs are down, family. All right. No worries. We anticipated some struggle there. Caught the wrong side of it. Should have longed that after that pullback through. That was just a big buy volume spike. Look at the push. We're into the 520s. Previous day high is at the 570s. Feels like that's where we're going to go. I'm going to go activate or switch over to our 20 PAs. Our evals, 20 evals. Excuse me. Okay. Look at that candle. We like that closure. Now we can go back over to our MNQ. Now we are in intraday now. So this is where things are going to get hard. What's up, mother trucker? Saucy, good morning, King. I took that long from the breakout. Quick 25 points. Nice job, Dan. I tried shorting it like a goof, even though I said I like longs. I like that, Queen. Good job. See, that's what I like to see out of you, girl. Thanks, dude. BBNW. I needed one, but we didn't catch it. Nice to see you smiling. That's why I said that. The PFP. Evening, Tyler. Hope all is well, brother. You too, Andrew. Welcome in, King. Hope you're feeling good. Hope you had a good day so far. Looking forward to the opportunity ahead of us. We have Jolts. Or is that 9:45? That was the 945. Dave, that was the PMI. Tyler, you have 85 Lucid evals too, right? Yes, I do. I have those to try to trade as well, if we can try to get through with these Apex counts really quickly. Happy to be smiling. Hell yeah, Queen. Damn, I cut that long at the 500s happening all day. We were pushing. Volume stopped through there. Look at the volume there. A lot of volume to the 500s. And so far, no continuation, but I imagine that we will. I want to see that previous day high get auctioned into those 570s. I really want to see those previous day highs get tried. I got to put 20 accounts because we're trading 20 accounts, baby. Can we get 20 PAs right now, today? I don't love that we didn't get continuation off that previous break candle. Would have liked to see a little continuation for that volume to make sense. Right now, this is kind of a reversal signal. Guys, what am I doing? Who is making me not draw my shape right now? I get my box drawn up here. Get in line with the market. You know what I'm saying? Here's the bottom of the 15-minute range. This was the 45th minute that broke us out of it. So an interesting little 15-minute range here. I would love to see a retest at the top of it. But that would also be weird because we just had this volume candle. For longs, must break 23,500 to go down. Must not break the 500s. I agree, Amy. We got to hold above there. On Tradeify, does anyone know if Select always has a DLL? Select does have a DLL. Yes, I believe so, Santiago. Just take your bit from the move and get it on the next one, Striker. That's it, Danny. That's all we can do. Let's go. Just pass my funded off of longs. Grayson, let's go, King. Way to take that breakout trade. Opening previous day high above at the 570s is a clean target. Here comes the EMA touch. I'm going to try one. Stops below that would be a 30-point stop. I'm going to try it. I think we come down into this 15-minute range high. Possibly, but we also could just bounce off this EMA and find some structure. I want to see the previous day highs of the 70s get tried. Feels like we're going to try to hold these right now, though. Volume is falling off. I like the chance for continuation here. I'm going to put my order in at the 500s. It's a really interesting spot, actually, because if we go sweep through that. Gotta be patient. Woo! Come on, Queen. Select have, and others no one. One no. Select halves and the other ones don't. Yeah, the growth counts do not. NASDAQ looks like it's on for its next leg up here. Possibly going to sweep through that 570s. I would like to be a part of it, Nazi. I want to be a little part of that. Here we go with the next leg up. New high being pushed on that previous candle. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? We have Jolt at 10 a.m. If you guys are in a trade, make sure you have to put your your stops on. Great advice, Pat. 100%. Jolt's dropping in 6 minutes. Hourly candle looking very bullish. The daily candle chart looks bullish. Now we got to find a way to get aligned with it on the 1 minute. Pushing towards that previous day high at the 570s. Here we go with the 550s. Still continuing the breakout right now. Looks like the longs are stair stepping. That's what they do. They take them stairs, and then the bears take the elevators, and then we just get the option. Strong hourly candle right now, though. This damn congestion. Struggling to breathe through my nose. Family, there's almost 50 people watching. Could we smash the love button? Go ahead and try to get to our 40-like stream goal. It would mean the most. You guys have been on top of it lately. Our community strong as a bull. I see you get it because we're going up. And then if we were going down, I'd say we're strong as a bear. You know what I mean? Yeah, you get it? Right now, NASDAQ 560s, no resistance, pushing towards that previous day high at the 577s. Feels like we're obviously going to get there. What happens once we do, don't know. I would like to see one attempt toward the top of the 15-minute range, but we might not get that. We might have the breakout, and that might be where we're going right now. Asia has been way cleaner, not going to lie. I know, Jay. It really has. Been clean moves consistently. Hopefully New York session can step it up here. I like that we're at least getting a new range extension in the New York session. This is at least okay, but I agree. Asia has been where it's been at lately. 67s, NASDAQ, still no resistance. About a short gold. Where, ooh, Santiago. Up at this previous swing. Good luck, King. Hope it plays out for you. I've trade funded in Asia and combine to New York just to try to pass. Jay, that's a good strategy. Right now, that's a good strategy. So seeming to be effective. Obviously, any market can change and things can like develop differently, but I do like that. Excuse me. I think anywhere towards these 490s, I'm going to try a long. Here comes an EMA break. Still haven't taken out that previous day high, so you can feel safe trying a couple of these spots. Do we take an EMA ride here? If I take an EMA ride here, I have to be willing to cut this trade really quickly. I'll try it for a quick little touch. If we break through the EMA, I'm going to close it immediately. Just looking for a little scalp here. Seeing if we can ride this EMA higher.
Order filled.
Order filled. Now we got to see if we can find any support from these longs off this EMA bounce. Want to see that previous day high still get traded. Taking an EMA trade. If we break through the EMA, I'm going to close this one pretty quickly. Not risking a ton on this. The trade idea is an EMA ride. So if we don't hold it, we're out. We're losing our drawdown a little bit here. Hey, I'm trying to read this. All right, not what I wanted to see for an EMA bounce. Any closure below, we're out of this. Might be right away, it looks like. She's trying. Do we get back above there? Feels like no. Yeah, well, she's trying. Holding the EMA. Do we get any support here? Wait for all the information. Wait for the candle close. We have jolts dropping in 3 minutes, so really be careful. I don't have a stop on this, and I should. A hard stop for me would be below the 5s, but I also like that for an entry, so I'm in a conundrum here. Last trade idea for me. This candle has to hold for me to stay in this position. Got to get an attempt higher so I can put my break even on. Wanting to see the 570s, see if we can get through this previous swing. Can't put our break even on yet, obviously, but I would like to soon if we can get a closure above this previous swing at these 540s, 530s. Get us up there. Try to hold this EMA. All right, all right. No, that's okay for me. Buy 20 stops, sell 20 stops. Stop losses in. Got to be willing to just scalp this thing. I want to see this maybe try the 70s out, but got to be careful. We are affecting our drawdown, so we have to get a good move here and be willing to top ticket. Not bad. Not a bad candle right there. Not a bad candle at all right there. We can look for continuation on that. Want to see this new high get swept out. Do not want to stay above this, inside of this previous swing. Want to see a new range extension into that previous day high at the 75s. From there, once we take out that swing and start heading towards that previous day, I'm going to pinch our order. So I'd really like to see these 600s get traded. I'm going to put my order here for sell 20 limit at the 600s. And as we get closer towards breaking that previous day high, I'm going to start scaling and pinching. Come on. Can we get through there, Nazi? Got to be careful here. Jolt's dropping in a minute. Anything could happen. Oh, I don't love being in a trade with my intraday drawdown right now with jolts dropping. Can we take out that swing high towards that previous? There it is. There it is. Gotta pinch this thing.
Stop filled.
All right. So we made $500, but our drawdown got affected by $500 as well. Bummer. I take out this other order now. Now we're gonna go. Why couldn't we just get a clean push? We just swept through that previous day high, so that trade's been done. Second Lucid Pro eval pass, one more to go. Split is on a fucking heater right now. I love seeing it, King. Gold doing his basic trap before a high a day, then I'm re-entering. Let's go, Santiago. Quick little band. Easy work. Looks like I shouldn't have gotten cooked right there. Of course I did. There's the continuation that we wanted to see. Why wouldn't it just be cleaner delivery through that swing? Man. Wanted a little bit of a cleaner delivery towards those sixes. Strong. Look at the hourly candle close. So strong. A little doji up here at the top with volume. Interesting. Interesting to see that. Now that we swept through that previous day high, if we don't find continuation through here, might be looking for a small little reversal. If we do hold, 600s feel like a lock. Got to try to pass these with the intraday drawdown. We only have 1,500 now left because of that move where it just took a 500 more from us up at the top. Excuse me. Apologize for that. Yo, there's 50 people watching, family. How close are we to that big old 4-0 like goal? Trying to hit 40 a stream today. I know we could do it. The community is strong and healthy as always. NASDAQ's looking strong as well. I wouldn't mind a 497 relief buy if we can get down there. If we do get down there, it's going to be a little interesting, though. We have that much volume and lacking continuation, although I still think longs are in control right now. Here's another EMA attempt. History says you could buy this EMA. History says you could buy this EMA. Do we do that, or do we wait for a little lower? I think we wait a little bit. I don't mind it, but I got to be patient here. $15-minute range is at the 470s. Yeah, I know, but getting back down there feels like a no way. Not on a day like this. If we do, well, my reason for saying that, Dave, what I mean by no way, it's not that we can't get down there. It's that if we do, I don't know if I like the stability anymore by these longs. Here we go. Back below the 450s now. We're going to start getting some weight through this. First time being below the EMA. Do we get a closure, or is it going to continue to hold? Looking a little bit heavier at the 540s. For me, the trade idea would be these 496s or so, 500 try, and then if we do get below that, my stops are going to be below below the 15-minute range. It's kind of going to be my trade idea for this one. Wait, it's a hard place to buy because if it drops from here, we could see the low of the 15-minute range. I know, that's what I'm saying. That's why it's tricky. That is why it's tricky, I mean, 100%, King. It's hard to want to short either, just because right now the longs are looking steady at this previous day's swing. I might be willing to try one short if we can get back up towards these 564s for one above the swing high. Looks like they kind of want to hold this EMA, though, again. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm shorting the 66s. Stops are going to be above the swing high at the 80s. I think we could maybe find some reaction here. I wouldn't really want to get filled on that, honestly. I'd rather be a little lower. 63s, where I just put my new order. Holding the EMA again, though. Man, I would have loved to have been tapped in there. How close was that? Bummer. How close was that for a fill? Check it out. Quarter of a tick. I think we could find some selling for a little bit here after pushing through that previous day high. Now finding a little bit of a reaction. Still trying to hold the EMA, but we're not yet. And I would have loved to have been tapped into that. Tyler, I've started putting a tiny position in with a market order early and then a limit order at the place I really want to buy a bigger position. Been working well. I'm 2 micros long at the 43s, but big order at the 500s. That's a smart strategy because I've been getting missed. Like just right there, I got missed. And we'd be up strong right now. So that's a bummer to see. Wow, by a quarter of a tick. Crazy. Crazy, NASDAQ. All right, where are we going? Back into the 530s now. Officially getting a strong closure below the EMA for the first time. I like that. I like that idea split. Seems like it'd be a little bit difficult to kind of manage the position, but not if you're in a steady account. NASDAQ pushing to the 520s now. I'm going to try to short this EMA at the 42s if we get a fill. Feels like we might not, though. Going to come a little lower now at the 39s. Man, she's just going to not give us a chance. We were missed by a quarter of a tick on this sell, family. I will buy some 25 select with Tradeify. Goal is 5 Tradeify and 5 Lucid 25Ks. I love it, GPT. It's a great goal. Good luck on that, King. Should buy them right now. Tradeify's got that new 3.0. Code TFF, baby, of course. What EMA are you using? This is a 9 EMA. Avon. Yeah, Avon. Yeah, what's up, King? Yeah, this is the 9 EMA. A quarter of a tick missed there is crazy. Now we're coming back into the 500s. If we get swept through these 5s, interesting price action. Personally, wouldn't mind trying one of them, but risky. Tommy, those are my faves. I do the 50s, though. Lucid and Tradeify, goats. Apex might be one of the best right now if you know how to trade. Apex is stellar right now with their end-of-day options and the no profit split, payout potential. But for nice consistent trading, other like Tradeify, Lucid, dogs. Here we go into the 490s, finding some selling pressure. Rejecting that previous day high pretty strong. Part of me wants to try to buy this 500 spot, but I don't know if I love it. Feels like we're at least going to try to trade the top of the 15-minute range. Feels like we're at least trying to get to that top of the 15 there. I'm going to go 40. I'm going to go to 40 with a tight stop. I only have 1,500 in drawdown now, so I got to be cautious. I think longs are still in control. It's just right now they're getting a bit of a pullback. Great short loading. I see it, Pat. I mean, we're quite a ways from VWAP. Quite a bit of ways back to balance. I wouldn't be surprised to see a 30 play and then a continuation higher. Find a little bit of balance back towards the swings. Sellers are getting this thing to move a little bit though, so we'll see what happens. It is a strong previous swing, 100%. especially back down towards this on the higher time frame. Back towards these 388s is big. If we get weakness through these 500s, I'm going to try a short. Top of the 15-minute range could get interesting, but right now they're trying to hold at the 5s. Do we find any weakness here? Here we go with the 500 whole number, the 495 bounce. Do they find any stability back above the EMA? If they do, I'm going to try to short the 530s, I think. My order's in at 32s. Can we get through the EMA at all? Or is the EMA where we're going to find the resistance? I have 2 contracts here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just got tapped in. We got to see a quick reaction for us to be in the safety here. I want to see a quick reaction off this swing. Starting to see the sellers reclaim that EMA. I want to see a nice wick here. A big white wick, you know what I'm saying? Decent reaction so far. Can we get a closure? You got to wait for all the information. Can we get a closure back under below that range there? There we go. Get continuation now back towards the top of this 15-minute range. Good reaction so far. Can we get a closure? 540 stop. Stops are going to be in. It's a little early. Could easily come back up, but got to be careful with this drawdown. Go give me a sweep through this low, Nazi. Get heavy through here. Get heavy through this swing. Got to be willing to top tick this. Get out for safety. There's a push back towards those 500s. It's going to be the obstacle. Come on, Nazi. Don't wick out of here. Strong candle closure through these 500s is what we need to see, family. Strong candle closure through these 500s is what we got to see. It's a good reaction. Below the EMA again. Be patient. Can't give up too much of a drawdown. We just lost a lot in our intraday drawdown, so we got to be very careful here. If this thing starts breaking through the lows, we'll be okay, but we got to be we got to see a move. It's got to be quick. Start getting heavy through the swing at the 5s. If we get through the 5s, I think we're going to be okay to see the top of the 15. Cannot see this EMA give us any auctioning. It's trying to as well. Come on, sellers. Defend that EMA. Push us back below. Any closure around above the EMA, I got... Oh, fuck. So I'm going to have to take that off. We already lost a lot in our drawdown there, unfortunately. I want to see these sellers defending this EMA. Hopefully defending our price as well. Stability at the 20s is no bueno. I like the weakness there, but are we going to get it right now? Come on, sellers. Feels like I'm going to get the sad story as I always do. Here we go. Defend that.
Stop filled.
Motherfucker. We just lost $500 in drawdown on a winning trade. Why are you coming back up there again? So consistent, man. Wow. Show me a weakness below the EMA now, and I'm going to fucking lose it. So consistent. Just find weakness. But no, you're going to come find my one order that's sitting there. Literally to a top tick. To a top tick. Yeah, and now we're going to find weakness back below the EMA, huh? You better not. You better go sweep this swing high. Go sweep it. Go sweep that swing high up there. They found stability at the 500s. Wanted to see us try to break through there. Hopefully sweeping the swing. Feels like it's possible. If we do sweep it, where do we want to find another entry? Still want to find a short. Still want to find another short up here. Might wait for a sweep of this new range. But I don't even know if we'd get it. We might stay below it. Yeah, of fucking course, dude. Just incredible. Just incredible. Do we get filled on this at the 18s? Or does it just continue lower?
Order filled.
It's not my favorite candle wick. I don't want to see a wick like that.
Order filled.
Wow. Fuck, man. All right, I'm done. I'm finally done. Up 1K. Make sure y'all end this month green. Let's go, Matrix. Love seeing it, baby. No, why didn't you do end of day with Apex tie? I'm trying to get better with the end of day. Look at me. Look at me just being a fucking fish. Trying to get better at the intraday trailing, Danny, and it's also a little bit cheaper. So, two pros in my opinion. I gotta go one contract now because I have no money left and I have $400 in drawdown. Gotta be very careful. Here's a push towards these 50s. Excuse me. For Apex, I like trailing instead of the intraday since it doesn't have DLL. Yeah, that's nice. Well, actually, the PAs do, though. Intraday trail is so rough, forces you to overtrade and cut green shorts, and it kills how you can be right on a trade but hurt your account at the same time. Yeah, no, I totally understand that. It is frustrating, Santiago. NASDAQ finding some bids through here. Found stability at the 500s, and now we're pushing back up into these 70s. Right back to that previous day high. Part of me wants to try to short this range just because this would be a decent spot to find continuation back to the sell side. But really, right now, the longs look decent. Might not be a good play to try to short. Especially now that we found like real stability at those fives. Makes me a little bit less cautious, or a little less eager. We have to literally snipe now. We have 20 points in drawdown with a long or a short. I say long because I kind of want to find one. Feels like we're looking for a continuation higher. Decent rejection so far. Back to the 550s. Patience, I guess. I guess that's what I got to do is patience, huh? Damn, blew my funded, but part of the game sucks when you get wicked and it runs. It's the worst. And now the sellers are actually acting like they're trying to load. Jeez Louise, man. No, because why wouldn't we? Why wouldn't we? Right back into the EMA. Stability. Are we seeking it? Where's VWAP? She's curling. She's doing her thing. Just trying to get a whole picture of what we might be doing here. Right now, I'm not fully sure. I feel like we already swept through that previous day high, so a reaction to the sell side could make some sense. That's why I try to grab that short. But, you know, I don't know. It's funny that I only have 150 bucks red, but yet these accounts are pretty much in trouble. Joey, did you catch anything off the open? I did not, King. I did not yet. Wow, I said I wanted to find that, and I just hesitated, and then there we go. Oh, Christmas. Christmas. Sellers are starting to look a little bit heavy. Oh, what do you mean? Oh, yep, my fault. Trying to get into these 30s.
Order filled.
It's a really gross wick, though, honestly. Not my favorite wick to see right there. Could be trouble for us. Shorting the exact same price I was interested in earlier. Got to see this wick try to get eaten out. That was a gross wick reaction. Surprised to see it be so strong. Expected a better closure from the sellers there. We're below the EMA. It's the only thing in our favor. Want to start seeing this try to hunt through those fives. Luckily, right now, we don't have to try to top tick this trade with our intraday, because we're not anywhere near our intraday max. So we can actually ride a little bit if we get any chances whatsoever. It might be over. Might be over for us here, family. Got to stay below the EMA for us to be right. If we find stability above the EMA, we're over. It's all over for me. Gotta reload them. I don't want to today. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good here, fam. Above the EMA, and that's going to be it. There it is.
Order filled.
Ay. Fuck, man. Fuck. You know what I mean? Fuck. God. Annoying. Fucking annoying. And now we try to see if we can pass these lucids, even though I am trading like shit, apparently, because this market is fucked. Manage groups. I don't even have a group, I guess. Oy. My God. Nice long from there. I'm out though. I wish I would have seen that. I'm trying to short it like a dummy. With 400, I would have just full port a breakout with trailing DD. Actually, would have been a good strategy. I suck. Sorry, man. It's all right, Danny. Hate this. Sometimes I wish I can go back a few minutes. LOL. Take me back there when you do, GPT. Bring me with you. We took out those 5-minute wicks, and we haven't been in a range since. Yo, this is some of the worst PA I've played in a while. Down, up, down. I've been up. I've even plus 400 after down 600, going to take 5. I like it, Corey. This is a tough price action. You are right. Select group. Let's go, GPT. In a minute. Max, thank you, King. Keep your head up, King. EQQ, always weird. End of month. It is. End of the quarter as well. Yeah. No worries. Just had to fucking let it out for a second, but I'm okay. We're back. Happens. Oh, it happens. It happens to the best of us. Yes, very good. Now I need to find a good trade. This is one of the realistically you should just take the 15 points. I know, and that's my problem too, Split. I'm just really not good at just taking little scalps like that. But this is technically one where you should do that. I'm going to go 10. I'm going to go 10 contracts and just look for base hits. Just in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Just going to get in and out. we're so extended from VWAP and balance, it feels like we have to find it, but we don't have to do anything. You would have entered 5 minis on that one account, LOL. Immediately, I would have crashed out, Max. You just saved me from a big crash out, okay? All right, let's see what we get here. I kind of want to short it again like an imbecile. You lost money on these. No, I didn't. No, I made 1440 yesterday. So that's where we're at. So I got to do it again. Got to do it again and again and again. Which sucks because I don't think I'll be able to pass if I make 1550. My high ass would looking at the drawdown, LOL. Buy the 696s and short the 70s, it seems. It does seem that, doesn't it, Queen? And watch, I'll play along. I'll even short these 70s and we'll go rip high a day. Here we go. Looks like the volume's here to go take us to the highs. Go ahead, do it. Excuse me, family. It is 10:30. Okay. Market's been open for an hour. Okay. Friday we are closed. That sucks. Wait, what do you mean, GPT? No, we aren't. Friday is NFP, non-farm payroll. Don't worry, you can pass today. You're allowed 1560 max. You need 1557 to pass. Ooh, okay. Then that's what we like right there. I appreciate you, Dave. Yo, there's 40 beautiful souls spending the morning together, being a part of this wonderful community. If you guys haven't yet, let's show some love. Smash the love button. Drop a W. Drop some support. Let's get through these. Get to our 40 like stream goal. Hopefully we can pass these lucids. Then I got to reload Apexes tomorrow. And we'll do it again. And again and again and again and again. Until we hit it like we should. And that's what you do. You persevere. You bounce back. I'm not touching this. Let this play out and show me what the heck direction we go. I agree, Danny. Feels like we're trying to break to the sixes, but in the meantime, we got to be patient. I've already blown many a trades waiting for it. I'm cutting none of them. Catching none of it. There we go. Breaking now towards these 80s again. Go get it. Go get the sixes. We all know you want it. I bet you could even... I'm going to try this. This is a different trade that I normally take, but I'm going to try it for just a quick little price action. I'm going to buy this with stops below the EMA, right? So it's just going to be a quick little scalp because if we should find continuation, go break through those highs if we're going to. If we go back below this EMA, we're going to be out. Sell 10 stops. It's a different little trade. It's a different try. See if I can try something different here. We shouldn't give up the EMA whatsoever if this is going to be correct. We should sweep through these highs and maybe towards those sixes. Maybe, just maybe. I mean, maybe, just maybe, but maybe not either. Wanted to see new ranges be taken there. Here we go. Got to see it now. Doji at the top isn't ideal. We got to see some direction here, NASDAQ. Take out that swing high and then go maybe hunt those sixes. If we take out the swing high, I'm going to put my stops on. Put my order in at the 98s. Buy 10 stops or... Oh no, that'd be my limit. Not looking great though. Looking like we're sticky at this EMA. Waiting for it. Waiting for the push possibly, or we're going to get killed. Come on. Do the thing, Nazi. Still above the EMA is decent. This was our trade idea to see us hold above it, but man, it's not looking like I wanted to see. I want to see a breakout. It's not looking steady above these 67, 70s. 70s look sticky again. Come on, NASDAQ. Hold that EMA and push through there. You just did. Got stuck below the previous swing. It's surprising. There's an attempt below the EMA. Don't love seeing it. Feels like we're going to get the bottom tick story. There's an attempt at our price. Holy cow. Yeah. What do you got? Feels bad. Another one.
Stop filled.
I'm gonna fucking lose my shit. Seriously, what the fuck is this? You just can't make it up, dude. Oh my god, I want to just crash out. Up 1900 on the expresses. Done for the day. Have a good one, bro. You too, Joey. Congratulations, King. That's a great day right there. We're doing opposite trades all the way, though, here. Hope you're right on this one. I'm sure from that extension. Playing out for you, King. Playing out for you so far. There's just no way that we don't go take out that swing high after seeing that. And it's just going to stop me out before it does it. Surely. I just got approved for my 5-year Thailand visa. Let's fucking go, Dave. Basically a resident now, baby. Telling you all first. Love all of you. Love you too, King. That's fucking exciting for you, brother. Basically a resident now. NASDAQ did me completely filthy. Just because we're going to go down to the 540s again just before pushing the highs here. Now it's going to go push these highs. Go ahead. Do the thing. Go ahead. It's okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. There's absolutely no way. Riding the 9 on the 5. Let's go, Danny. Because this is what I wanted to see all along, but it's going to stop me out first. Fuck. Why are we going to go find the 540s again? And there it is. Oh. Now that we swept it, though, what do we do? Now that it's officially swept, where do we go? Imagine you have to see the 600s here, right? 600 whole number, or is it going to be defended? Right back into the EMA pretty quickly there. Nothing completely telling me a reversal, though. They live in the life. Jealous is an understatement, LOL. 100% live in the life. Life goal, though. Stay consistent to the point I can travel and trade anywhere. It's coming, Santiago. Keep showing up. Keep doing the thing for yourself, King. NASDAQ immediately sweeping through the high and right back into the EMA. Finding some resistance. Where do we go from here? Now I'd be a little bit more apt to be a bear again. I would have expected that continuation to bring us up towards the 6s. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put my foot in my mouth and short these 72s. And then probably it's going to go right to high a day. And I'm going to pout. If we can even get a fill. Safer order might be at these 68s. Feels like probably now it's too late. Yeah, it does. It feels like it's probably now just a little too late. Now I'm joining your split. Now I like a short here. That green push was news. At 10:33, what was it? What happened, Santiago? What was the headline? What was the latest Trump tweet? Yeah, you're not going to give me a chance, are you? I officially want to see sellers do a little bit here. I just feel like I'm probably not going to get my fill up at the 560, so I'm probably going to have to come in a little lower, probably like right here. So I'm going to try it.
Order filled.
If we get stability above the EMA, this trade will be absolutely murdered. Just straight obliterated. Good wick reaction at the EMA, though. Can we find some weight now? Push this thing lower. Show us some love here, Nazi. Beautiful. Beautiful push. It's enough for a break even at least. And what do we need? We need 400 more bucks. Or no. $1,000 from right here. So I would need 25 points. So I need just about the 500s to be traded. I need just about the 500s to be traded to pass these accounts right now. Can we get any love? A lot of resistance there, so things could get wild. I think we're at least somewhat, dare I say, protected up at the 550s to see a rotation. Though I've been completely obliterated, so to say it's true doesn't mean it. If we break 500, we could dump more. I believe so too, Amin. Thankfully, I only need the 500s. I actually might need a little bit more, unfortunately. Excuse me. Might need a little bit more than the 500s. Let me do my math properly. What was I down? So I was down 600. I need 2100. Means I need 52 points. So I need to see 53 points. I need to see the 500s get tried. If my math is correct. Oh, actually, I need a little bit more. I need to see 500 exactly. I'm at 501. I don't love that, to be honest. Can we get some weight? I like that resistance. NASDAQ trying to bid up, still holding. Again, I feel like we're somewhat protected at the 50s, but anything could happen at any moment to make this fun be over. Nice push. Get down there. Don't tease me. 504. Surely we go to the 501s here. Surely that's not my story today, right? No, get it? Because surely. Three points away from passing, family. We were 3 points away from passing, family. If we hold these fives like that and the 550s don't feel as protected after getting that sweep down there, we just took out that liquidity at the 503s. Actually, no, we didn't. We're at 504, so we still front ran it. Just go find the 500s. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, NASDAQ. I've had enough. I'm over it. Make sure to drop the likes, chat. What account you trading, Ty? I'm in the Lucid right now, trying to pass these to get funded. We blew the Apex accounts, unfortunately, so we got to restart those. And yeah, that's where we're at. Trying to see if we can at least get funded with these girls today. Come on, show me some weakness back towards that 500 price. Definitely going to have to wait, I think. Feels like we're going to go auction back to the EMA at least here. Yup. Yup. There's an EMA rip. Now we wait to see if we find stability here. Want to see us try to auction lower, but it feels like we're going to chop and hold this range. Needed 3 points, NASDAQ. 3 measly little points. I hate asking for the 501. It just feels like we have to get the 501. We have to see a real rip through it. You know what I mean? That's why I was trying to front run that previous wick anyway, because that's where I anticipated us bouncing. But the problem is that wouldn't have passed the accounts, so then I probably should have just exited there and then looked for a little scalp. I don't know. Nice reaction to EMA though. Wait for all the information. Can we get a candle closure like that? If we hold that, I like to see the 5s try. I really do. It's a good reaction from the sellers. Go ahead and pump towards that 5 one time. Go ahead. No more teasing us. 510s, 512s. It's teasing us. Feels like it has to deliver here. It does. It feels like it's decent. But yet here we are waiting, asking nicely. We're asking really nicely, NASDAQ. Haven't you done me dirty enough? No, aren't you satisfied with the pain you've caused me? Thought we were friends, NASDAQ. It will hit your TP. Be patient. Good entry. That is a supply, a large supply. Up at the 50s. Yeah, it's not too shabby. Looking for a rotation 50 points lower into the 501s. Can we get it? Are we going to keep auctioning that 5? The issue is that the 5 right now has been a demand for the day. So it's just an interesting price to be battling at, Pat. This must be the candle. This must be the candle. If not, we're going to just have to take it at the EMA. If this is not the candle, we should not keep going sideways like this. Here we go. Trying to break lower. Is this the candle? Is this the one? The one with the gun? Come on, go down there. Yes, yes, no, yes, maybe. 580s is the supply. Yeah, that 570s, that previous day high.
Order filled.
Bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, bang. Now I made 1596. So that's too much money, isn't it? What did Dave say? 1560? Read that. 1560 is max. So I need to lose 36 bucks. Split. I finally joined you on the sell side there. Got something. Finally, Mike. Now I need to go over to MNQ and lose. I need to lose 60 bucks. On pace for another max payout by the end of the week. Incredible, Brahm. Dropping mad goop right now. Excuse me. A mad goop right now, King. I'm going to buy this to try to lose 60 bucks.
Order filled.
We have to be below, what did he say? 1560. So I have to be at, that's what my eyes are just watching this, trying to see where the 60 would be. Come on, sell off a little bit more. Where do we actually auction into anyways? Not even the top of the 15-minute range yet. I like that. Surely we don't find a bid here. Surely I don't just, never would. I would never buy the bottom there ever in my life. So here we go. 1560s max. I'm going to go 1559. Got to get a little bit more weight now. Done for the day. Up 1,000 on the day in total. 1525. So halfway past. Let's fucking go, Danny. Incredible. Up 1,000. Family is eating. Brahm, max payout. Split. Nothing but W's. Danny, up 1,000. Half passing. Come on, NASDAQ. Keep selling off a little bit more here so I can go ahead and grab this 1560 max. This is why I hate. No, you're not going to do that. You're not going to act like you're going to bounce at the 470s just because I buy that bottom candle there. W, Danny. Absolutely. Way to show love, queen, family to the queen. Come on, NASDAQ. Stop fucking with me. I don't want to buy this. What am I in at? I'm at 87. I need $60. It's $2 a point. So I need 30 points. So 57 would be me being okay. I'm only worried about the top of this 15-minute range at the 67s. It's a good offer there. It's a great offer there. Now I got to be a little cautious. We could easily start finding a bid again. Get down there. I need to eat more. I need 4 more points from there. Do not touch the top of the 15 and bounce. Not right now. I need you to sell off. Whee, trying to force myself to lose money. Just go in and out, take commission cuts. For some reason, I hate doing that, but you're probably right, Joey. Joe Gatt, you're probably correct, me friend. So what do I just... I'm already in a sell, so I have to buy it. Wait, what are we doing here? Yeah, we're finding stability. I gotta get out of this. Alright, so I gotta... Now I'm making money again. I think it's gonna get pretty gnarly here in a minute, though. Yeah. There's an EMA touch. Do we find stability through it? Or are we gonna continue lower? Surely. So I don't exit this. This is stupid. Lucid is a minute 7 seconds on trade, I think. Lucid is a minute 7 seconds on trade, I think. So you have to hold for a minute and 7 seconds. That's what I'm worried about. That right there is what I'm worried about. Ooh, please. Please. Please push through that swing low. Yes. Get down there. Get down there. Don't fucking tease me. That's why I'm worried about is having to hold for a minute and 7 seconds. Yeah. Instead of like, I don't want them to be like, oh, you're whatever it's called. I forget what they call it. Quick trading. Please.
Stop filled.
I lost too fucking much. My math was wrong. Now I need $8. I might as well just commit. I'm just kidding. That was awful to say. I'm joking. Yes, I lost too fucking much, Danny. I did. I lost too fucking much. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. I did. I really did. I really lost too much. This is silly. This is absolutely silly.
Order filled. Order filled.
Welp, 58, 60, 60, 60. He said that's the max. So these are all fine, but this one made 61. Do you think that matters, or am I fine? Do you guys think that matters, or you know what? I'm not even taking any chances. Manage groups. Turn off the group. Select the, what is it? 050603. 050603. Yeah. Why is this account $19 below? Wait, are they all below? This one's passed. That one's below. 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 Flippage on trade copier. No, but it can't be though, Pat, because unfortunately these are at 1560. So I can't make any more money, but yet I need $19 more. All right. Okay, well, all funded 5 Lucid Pros passed. Now time to put day one trades on them. Let's fucking go, Split. Drop a W for the man that's just been crushing the markets lately. I'm proud of you, King. Yeah, Joe, I just got cooked. All right, well, I don't even know what I have to do. I think I have to just wait to pass these tomorrow. I think that's the reality. I have to make $19 tomorrow. The only one that's passed is this one here, the 701 account. This one's funded. And then the others, the 12, not. The 13, not. The 14, not. And the 15, not. But if I make the money to pass them, I'm going to have to make more money tomorrow anyways. So there's no point. Probably commissions. Yeah, but then wouldn't that be affecting my actual total dollar P&L? Welcome in, newbie, by the way, Queen. I don't even know, but it's not what I like. Is what it is. Tomorrow we'll pass them, and yeah. Tomorrow we'll pass them. Tomorrow we'll reload on some new Apexes and try that mystical beast out again. And hopefully we'll be going into Wednesday with some, or no, tomorrow's Wednesday. Hopefully we'll be going into Thursday with some Lucid fundeds and some Apex fundeds. If tomorrow can go well on the Apex evals. Lucid don't let you activate. You have to wait till end of day. Might be worth it to lose a few dollars. I mean, if I have to make money tomorrow, I might as well anyway. Like, if I have to anyways. Yeah, you guys are right. It was slippage because I saw the 1443, which is what I made yesterday, and that's where my brain was like, oh, okay. But the rest of the other four were $20 short, so 1 point difference. They must have got a different fill or something. 06, so 05, 06, 03. Oh, they're all the same. Well, what count is that? I need to know which count this is. I feel like that one's past the 11. What is my P&L on this account? How do I see what my P&L is for this one account right here? I guess I just go like this, manage groups, and turn the group off. Yeah, but I can't see what this fucking... What is this? Auto fit is on pat into settings. Is there a setting on Tradeify to make it so you can pan around the chart like that? Mine always jumps back to the same spot. Pat, it's right here. Chart settings, auto fit chart. Turn that off. Not for me with Tradeify. It shows my actual balance after commissions in the back end. Auto fit is on the page. Yeah, it's right here. Chart settings, auto fit chart. Turn that off. And continuous auto fit might be one of those two as well. It's in the back end. Interesting, interesting. Is there a way to do that from application settings? Is it down here that I can add that? No, I don't even care. Oh, wow. Okay, I would have done that the first time. Get out of here, then. Way more useful. Okay, so this is the one that I made 1560 on. So I can lose $1 there to guarantee that one to be passed. You know what? I might as well just go to manage groups. Put the 50K group back on. Put everything but the 10, 11 in. Hit okay. Quickly lose $1. I have to make money. I have to make $20 tomorrow anyway, so there's really no point. It doesn't make a difference. I'll buy this. Oh my god, I just lost it in the one I didn't want to do it in. Are you kidding me? Tyler! You snail. Completely not what I wanted. Oh my god, now I'm down $100. Not what I wanted. I wanted my group. I wanted my group. I wanted my group. Wait, how the hell am I already down $100 on one mini? Down like 20 points. On one micro, I mean. Get back up there. Alright, well, I'm confused. Let's go to the group, please. Put 12 on. And. We'll buy this market. As long as VWAP is accurate, it is. So we'll buy this quickly. Oop, 4. You're correct, thank you. Buy this quickly. Wait for everyone to lose a little bit. That's now under. That's perfect. Did what I needed to do there. And now I need to lose a little bit on this one account. And you guys said to just... Oh, but you said to do it for a minute? Not for me with Tradeify. It shows my actual balance after commissions in the back end. Autofizz on chat. How do you do that? Way better. Did it work, Pat? Way better. Thank you guys. Of course, King. You're in the 5 micros. Fantastic short. I was in 5. That's how it was. Yes, Queen. All right. So everything else looks good. I have to pass those tomorrow. I have to make like $20. But this one now is not going to pass because I made $2 more than I should have. So, yeah. $0.50 short. Dude, why is this so difficult? Oh, I'm 50 cents short. You can't even. Did we take out the bottom 15-minute range? Yes, we did. Ooh, VWAP's right below, though. This is going to be insanely difficult. Sell. And then I'm going to be 1 tick below. Actually, I need 1 point. So 78. Hey, will you just come back down here now? No, half a tick would be $1. So I need a half a tick, which is right here. Buy one limit. Surely we don't avoid VWAP like that and make my life hell right now, right? Surely we don't avoid VWAP like that and come back down and give us our 1 price break even fill. Beautiful reaction. Can we get a closure at that wick? Man, I've taken like 80 trades just to try to pass a fucking account, which is ridiculous. Come on, go to our break even. Come on, Queen. I need you to. I need you to. Nice wick. Can we get a closure below? Can we just get a little closure below that EMA and then go ahead and hit our break even and give us our pass? Otherwise, I might just, I don't know. I need $20, so I could just pass it tomorrow with the others. It just feels like there's no way we don't go see that EMA or that VWAP. Yet then they're just telling us different things right now. Look at the wicks. Volume's trying. I would be shivered in my timbers if we avoid VWAP like that. Like, yeah, we swept through the bottom of the 15-minute range, but the VWAP is right there. Oh, my God. Stop it, NASDAQ. Nobody believes that. Just stop it. Just stop it. No, just stop it. Problem is we did bounce into a big spot. All right, sound another one up here then. This is crazy. Lucid really had hard on these couple of dollars. Jeez. Why is it like this, Danny? I need $1. I need a goddamn $1. And now I'm down 60 bucks. This is why you can never assume, you know. All right, I'm selling another one up here. And that will change my break-even price to right there. So now I can go to 2 contracts and put it a quarter of a tick below. Although with commissions, I'm probably going to be down, so I'll do a half a tick. Ooh, look at my fit. Look at my averages at 0.13. How did that happen? That's so different. Okay, so 0.13. So I need 17 whole. We need $2, be $4. Commission will take a little bit as well. I just can't even do this math. If I do a whole tick, that would be 4 points. I'll do a whole tick. Buy 2 limit. Or no. Sell 2 stops. No. Buy 2 limit. Except, where the fuck is this thing going? Now we're down 140 big ones. Who expects a V recovery off the front-running VWAP like that? Man, I'm glad I wasn't in my actual account. I would have busted those things. Or an actual NASDAQ position. At this point, I'm just like waiting for you, NASDAQ. At the top of the 15-minute range, did we just get to? Yeah, we did. We just pushed to the top of the 15-minute range. With an absolute V recovery from heaven. This is ridiculous. I was just so close to wrapping it up, and now we're dealing with this. Absolutely shenanigans. And now we got to see if my math is even going to be correct. Here's an EMA attempt. No. No, you got to go through the EMA. No, I don't want to see a wick like that. I got to go through the EMA. I have to pee so bad. God damn it, NASDAQ. Today, you and I, girl. You're just going to go ahead and wick out like that? Look at that wick. An EMA touch as well. That is a bullish candle print, really. Imagine we get to the 17s and then my math is even correct. Because now at this point, even if I try to do this tomorrow, I have to make more than the other accounts. I'm selling a 3rd contract up here. Because now it's going to be $6 per point, and I needed $1. How much are commissions on these mini micros? You guys know how much a commission on the micro is? That's how people blow accounts. 100% queen. What is the commission on a micro? Shorting another one. 50 cents. Okay, so I'm going to lose $1.50, and I need to make $1. So I need to make $2.50, and I'm making $6 for 1 point. So if I do a half a point, which would be 25, I'm going to make $3. I'm going to lose $1.50, make $1.50. So I need to make a half a point. So I need to go to 0.25. I need to go 32.25. That's where I need for my exit. And that has to be 3 contracts, actually. 3 contracts, 32.25. Buy 3 limit. Even though we're now down $200 because of this V recovery from hell. Nobody believes that. We're just going to respond off of a VWAP without even getting to VWAP like that? I don't believe it. I just really don't. Yeah, I'm watching it just ruin my P&L, so. Who knows? Oh my fucking word, man. Are you serious? I'm gonna crash out. Now we're down $400. We're not even close to passing anymore. This is what happens. We were $1 away. 50 cents round trip. We were $1 away from passing. Now we're down $400. I can't even. I am shocked. What happened? Went to Spark. I've been trying to fucking lose $1. I was trying to win $1, lose $1, win $1, lose $1 to pass this account through their buffer, and then we get a V recovery from hell. And I've been shorting this whole thing. I'm down $500 now because I anticipated going to find that VWAP. This is wild. I'm actually shocked because now I'm in the position where it's like, you know, now I'm in a tough spot, actually. Look at the volume there. Look at the volume on that candle. What was that? It was 9,800 micro contracts. How many contracts was that? Oh, it wasn't as much on here. Okay. Yeah, come back down to fucking earth real quick. You absolute shenanigans. Come back down to earth. Where's the top of the 15-minute range? Now we got to look at that for resistance. Then 69s. The EMA, essentially. This is ridiculous. I'm so frustrated. I wanted to be in and out and done. But no. We're going to have a complete and utter V recovery. This is actually crazy. I didn't expect that at all. Completely unbelievable. Unbelievable. Also unbelievable. Got through this EMA. Show me some reaction back to universe. Back to the normal ground of earthlings. You wild little cat, you. It's alright. It's okay, NASDAQ. I understand. You want to just shake some people out of their shoes. This EMA touch, I feel like, is a spot to flip over to the longs, unfortunately. Come on. The reason I like it is that much volume. With a lack of continuation isn't crazy good. Come on, cut through that EMA now. Cut through that EMA now. We're back down to 250. All right. Can we find the 32s here? If we find the 32s, we're out of here. Or do we have to close at this EMA and look for something else? Top of the 15-minute range, I don't love it here. I imagine we find some stability here at the top of the 15. Things could get wild here. Now, if we cut through the top of the 15, that's decent. A lot of auctioning, a lot of bids being filled. I don't know. I don't love it. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. It's not my this is crazy. This is how you blow accounts 100%, queen. Cut through that EMA now. Show me an attempt back lower towards that VWAP, which we should have already found. That was a crazy reaction. Or do I got to flip over and buy this EMA price, which is also the top of the 15-minute range? Kind of makes me think I should do that. I didn't pay attention that the hourly candle closed like that. I think I gotta flip out of here. That's a big bounce zone. I was waiting to trade out of, but didn't get my entry. Nas are just dirty today. Just an internet area because that's also heavy resistance. We just hit. I guess I'll just lock out. Interesting, not internet. Yeah, I assumed you meant interesting there. It was an interesting area. I just assumed VWAP was fairly a decent look there. And now I'm sitting here with my pain in my hand trying to figure it out. Or do I just close this and pass this tomorrow? But if I do that, then it's like might as well have seen 400 points. Like, I don't even know. I don't even know. Just a little bit surprised we didn't find VWAP, that's all. And now it's 15 minutes past my time and I don't want to be here anymore. I gotta go. I have to go. I have to go, NASDAQ. You're doing me so mean. This was so mean of you. So mean of you, NASDAQ. I need to leave. Huh. Well, do we think that the longs are steady? If so, I might just flip over to a long. I mean, I knew I should have bought the top of that 15-minute range. That was a fair assessment there. Oh yeah, back down to 450 now. I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna crash out. Like a V recovery out of that is crazy. I don't see it trying to stop at all. All right, I'm flipping out of this. I'm gonna buy 6 micros. This is where things get crazy, family. This is what ends up happening. Oh, I can't do that. I gotta move this. This is where things end up getting weird and wild. Because now I'm gonna be pretty heavy. Not all today, of course, but I was looking for 700 if it would have gotten my setup. Ugh, and here comes the longs. See, that's why I was looking to find, but now we're just doing it without me. Now I don't know what to look for. Oh my God. I am so thankful I'm on a different account from micros. I am down $600 with just micros. Holy cow. $700 just micros. Incredible, honestly. Honestly crazy. It's just so funny. I was $1 away from passing. $1 away from passing. And actually I did pass and then didn't pass and then didn't pass. Like, it was always just shenanigans. This is shocking. What did we just bounce from? From the 380s to the 540s. We're up 160 points in minutes with no auction. Oh my word. Oh my days, Nazi. Oh my good Lord loving. It's going to be a horror story if this goes bad. Last rejection zone. At the 40s, yeah. I imagine we get continuation through here. That's the thing. Means I need to flip over to the longs. Problem with that is, man, that's a very strong V recovery. I'm shocked. We swept through the bottom of the 15-minute range, and VWAP said, I don't want to be found. I don't want to be found. Leave me alone. Oh, okay, that's fine. But like we're right here. Like, no, I don't care. Go away. It's like, oh, okay, that's fair. Complete and utter V recovery. I mean, this is something. Things are about to get wild for us here, friends. I'm going to buy the 518, see if we can get a reaction. I'm buying 10 micros. I'm already in 3, so it's going to put me in a 7. Crazy. Actually, I guess I'll do 8 because I only need 8 at this EMA, please. NASDAQ, please. Oh my God. This is crazy. What a bounce. Oh, I'm shocked by it, Danny. Very weird price action. Did not expect a complete and utter, just beautiful strength out of the NAS. Here we go. Joining these longs at the 24s. This is kind of a bold spot now because we just ripped up so much, and now we're rejecting a previously big spot. So it's a big ask. Can we get a fill? And then I got to go to the bathroom so bad. I wanted to be out of here a long time ago. I'm so frustrated right now. And you're going to fucking avoid my fill. Take a deep breath because I'm about to fucking crash out. Like, really? Really? And you're just going to avoid my fucking fill and then keep pumping higher? Really? My God. My fucking word. NASDAQ. I have a word with you. Please, over here. I gotta have a word with you. Just you and me. No, come here. We have to talk. This right here is not acceptable. This behavior that you've been displaying is, I understand, you know, it's all fun and games, but when we're here, we got to be professional, and this is not cool. Big breath, bro. Kick the emotion and stay objective, for sure. For sure, Pat. Nah, it's not the end of the world. I mean, it's one eval that we're now down $700. Still up on the day, but it's just so goofy is what it is. You know what I mean? I have to piss, and I'm late. I got to go to work, and it's just like, fuck, man. Really? We're going to bounce 200 fucking points straight up? Really? Right now. That's what you're going to do right now. While I'm trying to fucking do something. Like, that's just annoying to deal with at the moment. I'm going to pop. I have to go to the bathroom. You trade one more day, man. Just trade one more day, man. Trading an alien, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. It's definitely a decent option. Where do we touch into? The 60s? Where you work? Malik, I work at a cannabis cultivation. So I work for a cannabis farm. On another note, we only need 4 more tiny likes to get to 40 likes. Hey, newbie. Appreciate you for sharing. Family, can we get 4 more? For the $1 that I just got kicked on NASDAQ, can we find 4 likes? It would mean the most, find our 40 like goal. All right, what are we doing? Now we're selling into these 20s. What do I got to make a decision here. Surely we don't return back into anything valuable. Surely they're just going to continue this ridiculous direction. Do we get out at this swing high and try to join them? Where do we see this train coming to? I don't know. I don't know how to read this anymore. 500s could easily find some support. Right now, the sellers are starting to do something. Back to the 5s. I think I might try to exit this and join at the 5s. This is where things can get really triggering for me if we start selling off below the 5s. Surely we don't push back lower to my price, right? Like, surely I'm going to have to get out of this short. There's a push below the 5. They're trying. Got to monitor this. Oh my god, I have to pee so bad. I have to pee so bad. I have to pee so bad. Oh my god, I have to pee so bad. I'm showing 38 now. Just got 2 more. 2 more, family. I would add, but then probably get butchered. LOL. Add shorts up here, Danny. That's hilarious because I want to as well, Queen. Thomas, you're with me. I'm still holding a short for dear life. Where's your fill? Can't be as bad as mine is at the 432. So surely we find balance here. Mine shows 37. 37, 38, somewhere in there. We need 2 to 3 likes, family. If y'all are here, haven't smashed the button yet, show some love and smash that for me, family. 497. Oh, you're chilling. You're back to green. Not nearly as painful for you. Although I bet it was while you were up, down 60 points there. But now you're back. You're back. Now the question is, do I get out of this position here and flip? I feel like I have to at these 5s. I feel like I have to. But now that I know you're with me, I don't know. Mildly bullish for today, but the session started in high time frame supply. It's so tricky. So tricky. It's exactly, I was bullish on the start of the day. Still try to short it just because of the goof in me. My goofy in me. I have to go to the bathroom. This is so frustrating. I'm late to my work. How do I explain it? Like, oh, sorry, guys. I was stuck in a position and NASDAQ. See, it was funny. One funny story. It was only down $1, right? I was only down $1, and then I tried to like make that $1. Price action is really good. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad, Pat. It's straight, clean lines. It's just from, if you actually look at New York session, like zoom in, this is the entire New York session. This is weird, right? Just kind of weird. Flip it, can't retrace more than 50% on the lows. Yeah, down 60 points on 20 PAs feels pretty nice, to be honest. Yeah, that's tough. But we bounce back. We're selling. We're selling. Surely you didn't hold that. If you slow down and wait a little for things to play out, it's really easy for you to see what's happening. Sadly, I'm on the wrong side of this, and now we're still finding bids again. I think I'm going to try another short contract here, honestly. PA looks good, but that's always hindsight. Sometimes I look back and be like, how the fuck did I not lose in this PA today? Sometimes. NASDAQ, are you kidding me? I have to pee. Do you not care about my bladder? Do you not care about me? I really thought we were friends. Oh, I'm surely holding. Well, I'm with you. We're getting swallowed right now, and I want to fucking pout about it. Today's price action has caused me to start having migraines with the way it auctioned. My poor little setup was shy, I guess. LOL. I feel the same, newbie. I do. Feel it right here, right behind my eye. It's just like stabbing me. Just letting blue line algo play. Oh yeah, just, you know. Is there a blue line there? Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna bounce off that like it's like I meant to. Like I am meant to, you know what I mean, darling? Yes, darling. Very good, darling. Oh, NASDAQ. Sure. All right, I might just call it and trade for tomorrow. Try to make this $600 tomorrow. It just feels like I could bust them, but I'm in the exact same place. Nothing changes. I have to go to the bathroom. I have to go to work. I hate it. NASDAQ, you got me again. I wanted to celebrate, and you got me again. So now I have to close this short that I confident will come back eventually, but it doesn't matter because I don't have time. I have to go. If I have made over a certain amount, violating consistency, would have opened and closed a few micros. The fees will eat up the profits. I also just use the risk settings in Tradeify. Oh, alien, that would have been the way to do it. Tomorrow's another day, and you will pass these tomorrow. 4 of them needs 20 bucks. This one now needs 620 bucks. So this one here is going to be a little different of a cat. But, all right, family. Y'all are the best. Thanks for riding with me through the crash out, through the wild shenanigans. We need $1 more, and now we're down $600. That is how it could happen on real shit. So make sure you guys are always protecting yourselves. Waiting for the market to come to your area of interest takes all the stress out of it. If you can detach and remain objective, whatever happens, happens. Absolutely, Pat. I love it. Take care, bro. You too, Prof. Loki. Thanks for being here, King. Appreciate you for being a part of it. At least you're green. Just a minor setback. It's not too bad, newbie. It's not the end of the world. It's goofy is what it is. It's goofy. Cheers to you as well, Alien. I appreciate it. Take care. Peace. Yes, ma'am. Have a good day, everyone. Hit the weights. That's it. Tomorrow we do it again. Richner, I love it. All right, family. So much love. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. We'll be back trying to do this tomorrow. Do I just let this? Hold on. We got to make a decision here at these 500s. Do I close for 400 bucks? Hold on. We're starting to get some weight. Surely we get a little bit more weight here, right? We're down 380 now, 370. We were just down 620. Hold on a minute. This is bad. I was literally seconds away from saying see you later. But now she's starting to feed. Hold on a minute. 490s. Thomas, you're back in the green. No blue line algo this time. We're below your price. Surely we get lower here. Surely we bounce here. Oh, my God. I have to pee so bad. I'm going to explode. All right. Fuck it. I got to go. I hate this. I hate having to do this. Well, actually, you know what? I'm going to do this. I'm going to go buy 8. Or no, not 8. No. Tree. Buy tree. Buy 3 stops above this new EMA. And I'm still going to look for my original exit down at where I was. I need it. 0.25. 32.25. Oh, my God. I'm going to explode. Buy 3 limit. Yes, buy 3 limit. And now that's it. I'm going to end it right here, family. Whatever happens, happens. You guys will see tomorrow. Drop the love. See you guys. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody that you care about. And I'll be back bright and early on Wednesday. So much love. Peace, family.